Alright. Alright. Oh, hey! Okay. This works. It's a better, spawn point. And I get more ammo, too, so that's actually even better. Alright, I'm gonna see. Take my knife back. Work my way upstairs. I mean, I don't think this is gonna do anything for me, but couldn't hurt. And then I just fall on my ass. Ooh. I might need this more. I mean, why else would it be here, right? Logically. Okay. And just go. Oh, there's no point in me even climbing up here. Alright. That's fine. Hey, at least I got ammo. Die. Nope. Oh, fuck you, dog. Hey. How? Alright. Am I there yet? Why am I taking so long to walk down this? Come on. Oh, hey, there's a is that a mine? No, that's not a mine. Oh my god. Just walk. There you go. Is that a Yeti? Dad? Is that you? Jesus, that thing's huge. So it doesn't even explain what the guy's doing. Or the fucking Yeti's doing. It's just like, oh hey, look, there's a person. Let me help him. Thanks. All right. Well. And there's the sky.
Look at you. You look good for someone who just clawed his way out of Durgesh. Thank Kira we found you before you froze to death.
How did you find me?
Kira showed me the way. It took a week to track you down.
I've been gone for a week.
Constantly for your safe return.
Wow.
And the gods made it so.
Alright, well.
Thank you.
Don't thank me.
Prison was great, you know, at least.
Besides, keeping
Glad to have been there.
for the cause.
A lot happened.
That's one thing Amita doesn't
Trippy.
understand.
A little too trippy, honestly. But I'd rate it
Always have your back, brother.
7 out of 10. I still have that fucking urn. How is it I still have this thing? You'd think it would have like exploded or something. Alright. I should probably customize my stuff. Let's get the bow back. Nope. Or is it already? Oh, it's already in my... Okay. Onward. And while we're here... Sure, why not? Let's make this place look... some kind of livable? I don't know. Ooh, plants. Can make damn herb. Can't do any of that. Missions. Looks like all I can do is this. Alright. Fair. So while we're doing this, let's take the time. How's everybody doing tonight? Just call out, all that. Getting a sniper. Oh yeah, I probably have one somewhere. I'm too far gone at this point. If I need it for the next mission, I'll just quit the mission, go get one, and then go back. Taking its sweet ass time. I probably could have just fast traveled. I don't know why I didn't. Doop doop doo doo ah ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba. We almost there? Yep. Alright. And... detach. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Here we go. We're fine. We're fine. We got this. See? Perfect. See what we got going on here.
That's what you are.
Back outpost. Oh, yeah. I mean, with outposts and forts, I try to just kind of stick with the bow and arrow. I just like to go silent as best I can.
Our traditions.
I mean, I know that's probably not the best idea because it can only do so much.
Is that it? Is that your big plan for Bhadra? Oh, go for it. Go ahead, show Ajay what kind of man you are.
I don't answer to you.
I don't understand these two. Like, I get there's like a whole thing with them, depending on who to side with.
She didn't have a choice. Pagan forced Nor to do those things. He had her family.
I don't know which one to side with though.
How
Like
many
I've
families
done,
did she kill to save her
what is
life?
it? 2 of them for Sabal, 1 for her.
She has to pay,
But it's like,
like everyone else.
neither of them really
I'll decide what happens.
interest me in deciding like who should lead. If anything, I should fucking lead, but now I need to get another vehicle.
Did I ever tell you about Noor? This is one of my favorites. She used to be a doctor, quite the benevolent soul. She came to Kirot on some aid mission in the early days of my reign. She had the audacity to write a report on the human rights abuses perpetrated by my regime. So, I reached out to her, invited her to come back to see the improvements, how we'd acted on her recommendations. I extended the invite to her family. So she came, husband and kids. I put them up in the palace. I even put on a little meeting for her. I made a PowerPoint to a 12-step action plan to address Kirot's human rights violations. Except each slide was about how I was going to ruin Noor's life. Oh, so Paul Duplor kept her family hostage while I forced the great humanitarian Dr. Najjar to run the most terrible parts of my Kiroti empire.
This guy is really messed up, like,
Between you and I,
god damn.
I think she actually enjoys it now.
Oh. Hey, I got an achievement though. That counts for something. Oh shit. Okay, I was trying to drive. You guys suck. Alright, let's take this left. And you got in my way, it's not my fault. Ba, 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 take a right. Oh, okay. So I can get enough of this. Back to the arena. Woo! Okay. Sneaking.
Yeah. Well, I'm not getting in that way. Right. Time for plan B.
Am I going this way? Guess I'm going this way. Why is there a dead body here? Why are there dead bodies and like all over this fucking place? I don't understand. Is that, nope, that's not a way through. Alright, never mind. Out of my way. Find my way up there somehow. Can't go this way.
Good to see you, Ajay.
Do I have to like... Oh. Who's that? Ah. And... no. Oh, that's clever. Ow. Come on. Ow, what the f- what the hell just happened? Okay, great.